In 1965, the Indonesian military began hunting down anyone they thought might be a communist. What happened next became one of history's most horrific mass murders. Over 6 months, between 500,000 and 1 million people were slaughtered. Teachers, farmers, intellectuals, entire families. The killers had lists, names provided by the CIA who saw the massacres as necessary to stop communist expansion in Southeast Asia. Victims were forced to dig their own graves before being shot or hacked to death with machetes. Neighbors turned on neighbors. Friends became executioners. The Indonesian government celebrated these killers as heroes. They banned any discussion of the murders for decades. Mass graves are still being discovered today, but perhaps the most chilling of all, many of the killers are still alive, and they openly brag about what they did. In documentaries, they describe in horrifying detail how they tortured and murdered innocent people. They smile as they reenact the killings. They show no remorse. These men committed genocide with American backing, and they're proud of it.